So to control the humidity in your home, use a humidifier that goes onto the HVAC system itself. Average healthy home between 30% and 60% relative humidity. Some of the noticeable benefits for that is if it's too dry. Obviously when you wake up, your nose is dry, you might get a bloody nose. Relative humidity to a home is very important. It also has health benefits as far as for bacteria, fungi. Why is that bad? Yeah. Well, if you have a high moisture contact, now you got mold, mildew, growth, black mold, basically the worst one. Viruses is a big thing right now. Within a comfort range, viruses typically cannot survive within the 35 to 60% range. Actually, probably goes up to 70%. For a humidifier, we add humidity to the air. Plain and simple. But we also team it up with the airflow and distribute it throughout the whole home. Same thing with dehumidifiers. We duct it into the supply air or return air and allow that to work with the air conditioning during the summertime to reduce moisture inside the home.